Available na nga itong corner duplex dito sa BF Homes Las Piñas. May 2-car garage. Nasa loob ng safe, gated, and flood-free subdivision. Fully renovated. Meron siyang pocket garden. Meron tong lot area na 140 square meters. Ang floor area nasa 200 square meters. Open layout at maluwag at maaliwalas ang bahay mo. Under the stairs, meron kang storage area. At eto na yung dining area na kasya kahit 8-seater dining set. Maaliwalas din kasi may open lanay. Meron ka ring powder room. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung second floor. May 3 bedrooms doon at lahat maluluwag. Ayan yung maid's room, may sarili siyang bathroom. Ito uli yung garden. Yung price and details nasa comment section. Ito yung kitchen mo. Kaya kung interested ka na rito, tawag ka lang. Ito yung access papunta sa maid's room. Follow for more!